to our tutorial on how to pair a personal device with your PacketPal product. In this tutorial, we will go over how to pair your personal device, such as a phone or laptop, to your PacketPal product. Before we begin, it's important to note that the device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your PacketPal product. First, click the Settings tab at the top of the screen. Click on the Pair a New Device button, then click Pair. Accept the conditions and click Complete Pairing. And that's it. After completing these steps, you will be redirected back to the main page. Back in Paired Devices on your settings screen, you will see that the device has been successfully paired with your PacketPal product. And now you've successfully paired your device with your PacketPal product. Thank you for following this tutorial. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Routie at packetpal.com.